This is a short video to help you find articles on academic skills and college success topics using the HACC library databases. First, we're going to go to your library guide linked in your Brightspace course module. And from there, we're going to click on Find Articles on the left. You'll see that I've highlighted different library databases based on your research topics. For this video, I'm going to show you how to use the first database, EBSCOhost, but I encourage you to also check out ERIC and Teacher Reference Center. The strategies that I'm going to show you in EBSCOhost will apply to any of these databases. The first thing that you may need to do is focus your topic. So a really broad topic like academic honesty may not yield relevant results. However, if I focus on a particular aspect of this, such as plagiarism and college students, that may yield relevant results. I have the option to refine my results further using these options on the left. For this search, I'm going to limit results that include the full text of articles, and I'm also going to limit by date range, and I would focus on the last 10 years as a starting point. You'll see that each result will tell you what type of source it is. For this example, this article is from an academic journal, but you can also limit by source type on the left if you only wanted to look at news articles or magazine articles, etc. I can preview the content of an article by clicking on the magnifying glass icon here, and that will bring up a pop-up box where I can access the abstract, which is a short summary of the article's contents. If you find something that you think might work for your research, click on the title, and you can access the full text of the article by clicking full text on the left. Some of the academic journal articles can be quite dense. They're written by researchers, they're written by experts in the field, and their purpose is to share research. One reading strategy you can try, though, is to read the beginning of the article, get an idea of what they're researching, and then skip to the very end and read the conclusion, what they found, their discussion of it. That's going to give you the meat of the article, and then you can go back and read how they set up their research, what methods they used, etc. Be sure to email yourself any articles that you think might work for your research. Emailing yourself is really the most foolproof way to save your sources. If you click on email on the right, you can put in your email address, you can send yourself a citation, and it will send you a permanent link that you can get back into this document. The other place where you can get citation help is clicking on this cite icon here, and that will bring up a pop-up box where you can scroll down, find your citation style, and then this is something that you can copy and paste directly into the Google Doc that your group is using. If you need any help, please reach out to one of the librarians. On the homepage of your library guide, I have included library contact information. If you have a quick question, you can always use our chat service, but there's also the option to schedule a research appointment with a librarian. So you can set up a time and a date, either location on campus or Zoom. And you're also welcome to reach out to me directly. So you can use the contacts that are in the LibGuide. The other place where you can reach me is in your course. There's a discussion board under General Questions that is an Ask a Librarian discussion board that you can post anything. So please reach out to me if you have any questions.